This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Fall Carlisle auction. Check out this 37 Ford Standard Sedan V8. These are just so, look how streamlined that is, how pretty that is. Edsel Ford really knew what he was doing. They were just so cool. This grille is so fine. Now you see why it's so difficult to get one of these grills in perfect shape. Look at all of those ribs. They all have to be perfectly straight, right down to the bottom, the way how it wraps around. Some of the last of the bulb lights. Oh, gorgeous. Windshield wipers are above. You got the reverse opening rear door, or suicide door if you shall, or coach door if you shan't. Now let's see if I can get this right. That's right. Look at the window. It opens forward. I'm going to crank it, and I can open the back to get a little bit of ventilation by just moving it all the way back. I center the window, and it closes. And that's the way to open, and then it rolls down. All of these innovations. You also can crank out the windshield. This looks like an original interior. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. It's got the heater over there. South wind heater. You can see the lock right over there for the ignition and such. Original steering wheel. Oh, this is beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that back seat. Oh. Now, okay, it's not an original interior. It has been done. But it's done very nicely. I really like it. I really like it. When was the last time you saw a 37 Ford bone stock? Especially in a four-door. Is that nice? Ah! See if the trunk is open so I can get an idea of what it's like. Is that cool? You can get a little bit of stuff in there, but not that much. When was the last time you were able to look inside the trunk of a Ford? It's kind of neat. Of course, the small vent windows in the rear, which do open. See the temperature gauge right there. Fuel, oil, amps. Look at the radio. Yep, there we go. There's the radio. That is so sweet. What a special treat this is. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 Fall Carlisle auction. Check out this 37 Ford Sedan. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, click subscribe. And if you love the video, share it with your friends. I'll see you at the shows.